We're following the Knob Fairy around the house. Oh, Knob.
Knob Fairy went evil.
Or geez. Not very.
Oh my god.
The dog
of all the things I've seen, this has got to be the funniest thing ever.
Yeah, it's a Knob Fairy. Happy Halloween. I think AJ just died. Yeah, he died. Happy Knob Fairy. Oh my god.
When?
Knob, you do know this is going on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, fine. I'll just show it to everyone on the band bus, that's all.
Is it okay to be scared?
Yeah, he's having trouble walking because the tights are too tight.
Yes.
You're so cold!
This is hilarious.
Helmet is really
Oh, it's still on, wow.